Next question is that, as you know very well about it, we are living in 21st century, and I think there are lots of distraction in our life,
Yeah, yeah.
right? So because of distraction, we are not able to focus on our study, right? And what I want to do, just because of distraction, we are not able to focus. So how can I focus? I think by heartly, okay, and how to remove the distraction so that we can be focused on particular things on study.
Yeah,
It can be possible.
yeah, definitely. Like it is also, I would say, most important question which you have asked to me, and this question, possess some meaning. This question has, the most meaningful aspects of our life. We live
Yeah,
in
yeah.
a, believe in a generation, like in 21st century especially,
Yeah.
where we are totally believe in a computer simulation or technology simulation, I would say, where you are surrounded by all those kind of technological made equipments and devices, be it mobile phone, laptop,
Yeah.
tab, smart watches, or any kind of wearable items that you see. And also there are many things like on internet, be it social media, be it those all kind of you can say, things, or the platform where people are engaging themselves. They are trying to spend more and more time so that they can become more interactive in life,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
they call themselves that they want to develop that kind of skill which could help them to be more fantastic in life, right? So I think, like, the question which you have asked to me, it's about like distraction. We know that there are many distractions.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would like to define you by the perspective, the very basic meaning that we have about distraction is focus. But I don't think the opposite of distraction is focus. Rather, the opposite of distraction is attraction,
Yeah, right,
in
right.
my perspective.
Yes, yes.
Why? Unless you are attracted towards something, you would not be able to keep your focus.
Yes,
Focus
yes.
is just a
Exactly.
intermediate thing. It's just an intermediate thing. It means when you are attracted towards something, focus will automatically follow you. This happens,
Yeah, yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So you need to, choose the things which attracts you. It could be study, it could be, moving out, it could be, innovating something, it could be making art, it could be learning, it could be, learning play how, learning, how to, sing, how to play guitar, and how to do lot of things that you how, how to travel around the world.
Yeah, yeah.
So these all things can be considered just subject which may attract you, and you get automatically attracted towards you. Focus will automatically follow you. This happens, right? So a lot of time it happens, how to keep focus, how to keep focus, how to keep focus. That's not going to work for you, in my opinion. So what I do, like, I also have a lot of subjects to deal with, right? So the subjects which attracts me, I put my focus, because I am very much, able to resonate with those kind of subjects, which helps me to get attracted automatically. There is no effort required, I would say. But if I don't like something, and if I try to focus on that, let's suppose if I don't like study, rather I want traveling, what I would do, I would be able to study, but that I would not be able to put my 100%, you know attention, I would say. Rather, I would be dividing my attention. 50% of the attention would be on my study, and 50%, and more than that even, would be on traveling. Okay, so it's about that. Okay, giving undivided attention on one specific thing, or one ambition that you have, or the purpose that you have. That is the main things. Okay, so try to find that thing which attracts you. Definitely you would be able to focus, or bring your focus, because focus will automatically follow you. It could be anything in life. Okay,
Right.
I would like to take a very simple example by which they would be able to engage, or be able to resonate.
Yeah, yeah.
Like what happened, when we were in teenage, a lot of us have a crush,
Yeah.
right? A
Right.
lot of us has a crush.
Right.
And the very crush that we had, in our teenage, because we were not able to understand what is the meaning of education, why do we study, why it is essential, why to listen parents, why to listen the advice of the people around us. We only followed on the things which we were focused, which we were attracted towards.
Yeah, yeah.
So that crush used to be our attraction, and our whole focus used to, like, whole focus, help us focus, whole focus automatically followed that things which we consider as an attraction.
Yeah.
Okay, so that things could be applied in every sphere of our life. I know, in almost a sphere, not every, but in almost a sphere of life. Be it about educating yourself, be it about learning new skills. That can also be like attraction, right? So it could be applied in many spheres or many areas of life, and that can help you to be more focused. So I have tried just give the very simple explanation of this, and I think that this might work for them. Yeah.
Yeah. So, thank you very much, Dheeraj sir. Thank you very much. Whatever you have explained here, yes, really, it is very